How to disable automatic billing on Facebook ads. So if you want to disable automatic billing on Facebook ads, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook and log into your account. And after that, you need to go with see more, which is on the left side. And under that, you will find the ads manager. You need to click on ads manager. And it should take you basically to your ads manager page. So just ignore everything and you can go on this left panel, which is ads manager, and click on it. And once you're here, you need to just go with the billing section right here. On the left side, you will have billings and payments. You need to click on the billings and payments. And this should take into a new page. So if you are by any chance in this payments activity tab, which is right here on the left side, just go and click on the payment settings, which is on the left side, because this is what we need at the moment. So once you're here, you'll have to go to the payment methods, which will be right here. In my case, I don't have any payment methods yet, but you need to go with your payment methods. Of course, for you, if you have the auto billing already enabled instead of the disabled, you probably have a payment method. So for you, you need to go to the payment method that you have, and you can, or you will find three dots in there. Just go and click on the three dots, and you'll be able to either disable the auto billing option, or even you'll be able to remove the whole payment method if you don't want to use it anymore in your account. Both will work, and removing it might be even better. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.